Home sweet home. This single-story home is located in a quiet established neighborhood within close proximity to schools and downtown. A large park is across the street. Nice floor plan features 2 separate living areas with vaulted ceilings. Open kitchen with bar seating and dining area plus second living room with gas fireplace. Spacious primary suite west/ensuite and walk-in closet. Large covered back deck and great patio space for entertaining. No neighbors behind you. Easy care lawn and landscaping. AC west/heat pump is a bonus. Large storage shed stays also.